Mousse au chocolat, chocky mousse, chocolate mousse. My mouth waters already. Let me show you how to make this elegant, delicious, and quick to make chocolate mousse without gelatin. It's a great dessert for a large or small dinner party. As always, any recipe rises and falls with the quality and taste of your ingredients, and in this case, chocolate. The best recipe won't be fabulous if you use mediocre chocolate. Here goes. Get all the ingredients and tools together before you start. Make life easy on yourself. You need a mixer, 3 bowls, spatulas, and a small whisk. The ingredients are chocolate, room temperature eggs, cream of tartar sugar, and cold heavy cream. First, start by melting the chocolate and extra cream in a double boiler at the lowest heat. Adding some cream from the start helps the chocolate be soft enough to mix with the other ingredients without tightening up. Meanwhile, separate the eggs. Egg whites into the mixer bowl and the egg yolks into a small bowl. Add a smidgen of cream of tartar to help stabilize the egg whites and keep them together. Start the machine at medium speed and speed up towards the end to create the most stable foam. Meanwhile, check your chocolate and mix it. Never leave your chocolate alone too long. Chocolate likes attention, always. I learned that the hard way too many times. Keep an eye on the egg whites and whisk the egg yolks and the sugar until they are lighter in color and a bit foamy. By now the chocolate is probably melted. Take it off the double boiler. The chocolate needs to be no more than warm. You don't want to cook the eggs. Slide the egg whites into your other bowl and start to whip up the cream. Same as with the egg whites, start slow and then speed it up. Make sure your chocolate is only just warm and then stir in the egg yolk mix. Once the cream is fairly stiff, start by adding some of the chocolate mix and fold it in gently. Then add the rest and finally gently fold the egg whites. Voila! Transfer to your serving bowl and cover with a cellophane to keep out foreign smells. It's best to chill for a couple of hours for larger air bubbles to form. There you have it, mousse au chocolat, chocolate mousse. I'm going to chill it for a couple hours in the fridge to grow the bubbles a little bigger, and then we'll serve it for dessert when our friend Paolo comes for dinner.